How about if we also have a button that can also change the name of Alan Smith? We need to go to the card and type on change name. This is any name that you want. And then we buy the functions, the change name handler, to on change name. There's nothing happen on the screen, but when you take a look at the object, you will see there is a function here. There's a on change name under this object. And also there is something that we need to change is we can't use the div under the paragraph, so we have to go to the card component and change it to div. Now the error has gone. Then here we can create another button that used to change the name. Now at this button we can type on click, and then we buy the props dot on change name, which is the name defined in here. So let's try the result. When we click the change name, it will also change to Michael Chan. But how about if you want to make this change name and this change name something different, such as if I press here, it changed to Michael Chan, and then if we press the button on the top, we will change to John Doe. Then we have to make some changes on the functions. So instead of hard code the Michael Chan here, we have to create a argument such that each time we pass the name, it will set different name. So we can now go to the change handler and pass the name that we want. For example, this is John Doe, and this is Alan Smith. This is Michael Chan. Now if we take a look, this will have a error that there is too many we render, and this become an infinite loop. This is because when we take a bracket here, it will become execute even we do not click on the button. So when the page is load, it will already execute the change name handler, so it will keep changing the name, so it become an infinite loop. So in order to stop this loop, we have to create an arrow function here. So now this will become, it only return change when the button is clicked. So now the error has gone and we can try the button. When we click the top button, it will change to John Doe. And if we click the change name button inside the card, it will become Michael Chan.